Hello, it's been a while. So I just installed the plow back on a tractor with a 3-point. I figured you guys didn't want to watch that. It's just driving it up, putting a pin there, putting these 2 pins back in, putting a pin there, you know, running the hydraulic lines. They're right there. And the same thing on this side. Just did a pin right, oops, sorry, there's a pin right here. I made a mistake. I don't undo these. And then this little pin right back in there is like a little swing down. Is like a little parking foot forward. So, all ready for winter here in Michigan. It's October 31st. Supposed to be 56 today. The rest of the week in the 40s. So, I am gonna adjust the shoes. Yeah, see the shoes are. I gotta drop the shoes. So, anyways, it's just a short video, 1 minute and 10 seconds, real rough. Put the plow on it for the winter. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna try to re-add this in. So I adjusted the shoes. I had to turn them around. And that. So now, when I put the plow down, there's like kind of normal, but then in float, I get that little bit of a lip. So I'm going to see how that goes. That's as far down, that's the top hole of the shoe, top hole of the shoes. So, like I say, I did actually turn the shoes around because they have holes on the other side that are stepped different. So I'm going to see what this does. It's just 5 minutes of grueling on your knees doing that. So, but you can see how when you first put it down, you know, I can make it straight, and then in float, that gets it up off the bottom a little bit. So I'm going to wait and play it by ear. Anybody got any tips? I'd like a little bit higher. So I like to scrape the snow and ice, but out on the side of the road, they just repaved with a bunch of new gravel and everything, and I want to dig that up. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.